Guys, when I say this recipe covers all the bases, I really mean it. It's low in calories, there's only 6 ingredients, and they're super easy to make. Cheesecake lovers, you're gonna adore this recipe. Hi, if you're new here, I'm Amanda, aka Fit Food AE, and today we're gonna be making high protein mini cheesecakes with only 80 calories each. So if you're excited to see me make this recipe, please give this video a like, subscribe, and share it with your friends, as it really helps the channel and I post similar recipes every week. And with that, let's get started making these cheesecakes. So first things first, you're gonna preheat the oven to 350 Fahrenheit. Then you're gonna grab your light cream cheese. So I used Philadelphia brand. This has 41% less calories than the regular cream cheese. So I actually melted mine in the microwave for around 15 to 20 seconds and then added it to the bowl. This makes it easier to mix. Then you're gonna pour in some nonfat Greek yogurt and then crack 1 egg. Make sure to not get any shells in there. Next, you're gonna add some vanilla protein powder. So I use Pea Science, of course. This is the cake pop flavor. You can also use vanilla or white chocolate macadamia. This is a whey casein blend. So I haven't tested this recipe with just whey, but if you do, let me know. And if you do wanna purchase Pea Science, please use my discount code FIT15. Then you're gonna add some 0-calorie sweetener. So I use Lakanto monk fruit. This is a 0-calorie substitute for sugar. You could use whatever you have on hand, but if you want to purchase from Lakanto, please use my discount code FIT15. So you're gonna mix that all together thoroughly. If you have like an electric mixer or whatever those are called, that would be great because it'll get rid of all the clumps. I unfortunately didn't have that, so I just used good old elbow grease. If you have a whisk, that'd be great too. I just didn't know where mine was. But yeah, if there are like a little bit of clumps in there, that's totally fine. Just mix it the best that you can until it kind of looks like this or even more blended than that. So now you're gonna grab a muffin tin and then add 6 muffin tin liners. Then what I did was I poured the batter in like 3/4 of the way into 6 of the liners, and then I added the raspberries. So I actually chopped the raspberries before adding them in. I chopped each one into like 3 or 4 little pieces. And then I covered it with the rest of the cheesecake mixture. And then I added a little bit of raspberries on top. So now we're gonna pop that in the oven and bake it for 20 minutes. So once that's done baking, you're gonna let them cool completely. They already look so good. And then once they're cooled, we're gonna store them in the fridge for at least 3 hours so they can set. Take them out and then you're done. The moment we've all been waiting for, taste test. These taste absolutely amazing straight out of the fridge. They're just so creamy and sweet. You don't even miss like the crust of the bottom or anything. They're just so good and filling. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it and I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did like this recipe, you probably love cheesecake, so not to worry, I do have other cheesecake recipes on my channel. I'm gonna link a couple other videos on the screen that you should watch next. And please be sure to give this video a like, subscribe, and share with your friends, as it really helps the channel and I post new videos every week. And with that, I will see you guys next time. Bye.